I had one anti-Semitic incident in my life. Would you want to hear about that? Just once. My mother and father separated, and we went to live with my grandparents, who at that point were living in Queens, because my uncle was a doctor, and he opened an office in Queens. And they were helping him, they were taking care of the house. And so I entered a school in Queens in the middle of a semester. I didn't know anybody there. And we came home for lunch every day. So I was young. I was maybe sixth grade. And a group of kids followed me. I'm walking home from school, and a group of kids running behind me and saying, "You killed Christ, you killed Christ." I went home crying. And Zadie was in the house. He said, "What's the matter?" I didn't know who Christ was. And I told him what happened. He explained the whole story to me. He said, "It's a Bubbe-meise." I said, "Don't worry, it's a Bubbe-meise." He made me feel better. He gave me lunch. But that was, really my only childhood experience. And he explained the situation. How could I experience that? I never lived amongst non-Jews. But this was Sunnyside, New York. I never went back there. So then it was 1934, 1935. There's a lot of anti-Semitism. Didn't feel good there. But my parents reunited. Oh.
That's great.
My parents reunited, so we went back to live together again in Brooklyn. That was okay.